Hey guys, Julie here, and today we are going to make cranberry oobleck. And oobleck is a substance that is neither solid or liquid. And the ingredients you're going to need for this is a can of jellied cranberry sauce, some cornstarch, a fourth of a cup of water, a big spoon, a measuring spoon, and a big bowl you can mix it in. Okay, so the first step is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The next step is half the can of your cranberry sauce. And the final step is to pour in your fourth of a cup of water. And then you just start mixing until it all comes together. If it's too dry, you can put in some more water. If it's too slimy, you can put in more cornstarch. I noticed the cranberry oobleck is a little runny, so I'm going to add a little more cornstarch and then keep mixing. Ooh, I may have put too much. Okay, so after mixing it for several minutes, you know it's ready when it's smooth, and when you grab a little bit and make a ball and start squishing it, it's hard, but if you just leave it in your hand, it's runny. Okay guys, this is how you make cranberry oobleck just in time for Thanksgiving. So try this out at home and watch it turn from a solid to a liquid. And remember, this is not edible. All right, see you guys next time.